Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the main camera default lens to 24, 28 or 35 millimeters on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on camera. So tap on camera. Then we go down. In here, tap on main camera and then go to the default lens section. And from here you can choose the default lens to 24, 28 or 35 millimeters. So select one of the options. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.